Now, should Pakistani artists be allowed to work in India? There's a virtual vertical divide in Bollywood over that question. After Karan Johar, Salman Khan, Shyam Benegal and Om Puri have come out in full support of these artists. But on the other hand, voices like Randeep Hooda, Abhijit and some other actors believe that there should be no contact with Pakistan unless the country stops pushing in terrorists.
Bollywood stands divided on the Maharashtra Nav Nirman Sena's ban on Pakistani actors working in India. Here's a lowdown on how Bollywood heavyweights reacted to the controversy, starting with former Pakistani citizen Adnan Sami, who was trolled on Twitter for congratulating the Indian Army after the surgical strikes across the line of control. Sami said that Pak actors should unequivocally condemn the Uri attack on the Indian Army.
अब जब आग लगी है तो मैं कहता अच्छा यार तू देख तेरा काम देख मैं तो जा रहा हूं यहां से तो होस्ट जो है वो अपसेट नहीं होगा बेशक.
But Sami's mentor in Bollywood, Salman Khan, firmly supported his Pakistani counterparts.
वीजा लेके आते कौन देता उनको वीजा हमारी गवर्नमेंट देती है वीजा वर्क परमिट हमारी गवर्नमेंट देती है.
And here's Nana Patekar with a counter-attack on Khan.
हम जो पटर करते हैं उनके ऊपर ध्यान मत दो, इतनी अहमियत मत देना किसी को, उनकी औकात नहीं उतनी अहमियत.
Salman Sultan co-star Randeep Hooda is also against Pak actors working in India. The actor took to Twitter and wrote, "It is only by isolating that the people of Pakistan will be able to pressurize their government and army to act against the terror organizations." While Anupam Kher suggested that Pak artists lacked sensitivity.
When something like this happens, it's very important to show that artistic sensitivity. Artists are supposed to be very sensitive. You cannot be sensitive only towards money, fame. You should also be artistic and sensitive towards a fellow neighbor's jawans.
Queen Kangana Ranaut is all for art and culture, but believes that it is difficult for the policymakers and the industry to be objective given the present circumstances.
It's very hard to be objective right now, but we hope the love and art prevails. But right now, we can't expect people to be objective, and such a big loss we have to deal with, right?
Veterans such as Mahesh Bhatt, Om Puri and Shyam Benegal are in favor of cultural ties with Pakistan.
It is like that you have been attacked by demons and you want to take a revenge from the innocent people. Do you differentiate between the two or not?
But there are others such as Madhur Bhandarkar and the Indian Motion Pictures Producers Association who passed a resolution to ban Pakistani artists in India. Meanwhile, Karan Johar's Dharma Productions and SRK's Red Chilli Entertainment have been served a warning letter by the MNS. Replace Fawad and Mahira Khan from Ae Dil Hai Mushkil and Raees, or the films will not be allowed to release. With cross-border tensions between India and Pakistan reaching fever pitch, the Aman Ki Asha Brigade will find it tough to recruit Pak artists in the near future. Entertainment Bureau, India Today.
उनसे पूछा गया कि जी आप कुछ कहेंगे इस चीज के बारे में, उन्होंने कुछ नहीं कहा. और बात यह है कि वहां पर मैं समझता हूं कि उनको एक
कंडेम करना चाहिए.
एक हाँ, ये आप किसी आप एक टेररिस्ट को कंडेम कर रहे हैं, आप अपनी गवर्नमेंट को नहीं कर रहे, आप अपने लोगों को नहीं कर रहे, आप टेररिस्ट को कर रहे हैं. वही टेररिस्ट जिन्होंने आपके मुल्क में भी हंगामा मचाया.
It is like that you have been attacked by demons and you want to take a revenge from the innocent people. Do you differentiate between the two or not?
अब तक तो मैं था ना, एंजॉय कर रहा था. अब जब आग लगी है तो मैं कहता अच्छा यार तू देख, तेरा काम देख, मैं तो जा रहा हूं यहां से। तो होस्ट जो है वो अपसेट नहीं होगा?
बेशक
वो कहेगा यार इतना मैंने उसकी खातिरें की, ये किया वो किया, कम से कम दो मतलब कि हाथ थोड़ा सा बटा देता।
How is it important? You have been saying artists, artists. Okay, throw them out. Throw them out. You think the problem will be solved?